on the surface seem so incredibly kind and thoughtful and generous.
This is why we need supportive friendships in our relationships. We need someone to help us see the BS behind the scenes because we're all busy with our rose colored glasses and we're just like, oh my God, that's so amazing. And then we have a friend who really knows us, who really knows what we're interested in and what's going on with us to say, hey, you're not seeing what I'm seeing. And someone you can trust that we can talk to about our experiences because you're going to get into these relationships that really suck unless you've got somebody who's rooting for you and wants the best for you and knows what you want, really knows what you want, because we can get blindsided with those emotions. My name's Coach Lee. I'm a social connections coach, and I want to help you make more meaningful friendships, connections in your personal and professional life. You need a good friend to help you when it comes to picking a romantic partner or being with a romantic partner or support through that relationship. If you don't know how to get one of those friends, follow me. I've got great tips.